Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys my first DT project for Elegant Embellishments, and that is Dee's store. I will make sure to put Dee's YouTube channel as well as her Zibbit store down in the description box below. If you want to save 35% off your total purchase, use the code MIMI35 and you can put that in the discount code area at checkout and receive 35% off. So for my project, I created some wine charms. Aren't these so cute? I did create the base of the wine charm itself from 20 gauge silver wire, and this wire is the artistic wire, which means that it won't tarnish. And it was really simple. I followed a tutorial from Beadaholique, and I will link that in the description box below if you guys want to learn how to make these. But it is super simple, and it does close by itself and open. So I thought it was really cool. I did use these red beads from Dee's shop. These are the, I believe, 8mm glass pearls. I also used this flower. And the cool thing about these is that if you look on the back here, it's like a little filigree piece. So I actually just put a jump ring through one of them and just put it in the middle of my wine charm. And I also used this super cute charm. It's a little handbag, and that's from her Girls Night Out charm kit. These other beads that I have on here are just from my stash. I just wanted to keep with the Christmas flavor. So these are great for some quick and easy last minute gifts, maybe with a bottle of wine. So I did create 2 of these because it does come with 2 in a kit. And then the way that I differentiated them is from the charm. So this is also from the Girls Night Out. All the charms like this in my projects are from that same kit. So this is one of the perfume bottles. And the beads are all exactly the same. I also created the red version. And these flowers are a little bit smaller than the clear ones, if you guys can see that. For this one, I have the little vanity. I love these charms. They have so much detail. Here's the next one. This is the bigger perfume bottle. And I love how the beads just still give it a little movement, so it's really fun. And then here is the last one. And this has this super cute corset on it. So wouldn't these be fun as a set to gift to maybe a coworker or anybody that you know that is a wine lover? They can break these out around the holidays and everybody can individualize their wine glass. So that is my project. Make sure to head on over to Elegant Embellishments. There are tons of different kits, as well as I believe she does have some laces and other products from previous months left in her shop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Let me know what you guys think, and I will be back with another video. Bye everyone.